In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Notion conditional formatting so you can visually organize your databases and instantly spot what matters most. Conditional formatting in Notion is incredibly useful for task management, project tracking, and prioritization, especially when you're working with large databases. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up conditional colors based on priority values like low, medium, and high. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're inside a Notion database where you want to apply conditional formatting. This works best in tables or boards that already have properties set up, like a priority or status field. Once you're inside the database, look toward the top right area and click on the Settings menu. This is where Notion keeps all the customization options for how your database looks and behaves. After opening the Settings menu, look for the option called Conditional Color and click on it. This feature allows you to automatically apply colors based on rules you define, instead of manually coloring rows one by one. This is especially powerful because the colors update automatically whenever the data changes. Next, click on New Color Setting. This is where you'll define your first conditional formatting rule. Think of each rule as an instruction telling Notion when and how to apply a specific color. Now you'll be asked to choose which property you want to base the condition on. In this example, we're going to click on Priority. This assumes you already have a priority property in your database, typically set up as a select field with options like low, medium, and high. Once priority is selected, you'll need to choose the condition. Click on the Condition dropdown and select Is. This tells Notion that the rule should apply when the priority value matches a specific option. After choosing Is, you'll now select the specific priority value you want to format. Start by selecting Low. At this point, you can also choose a color that will apply whenever a task is marked as low priority. Many people choose a softer or more neutral color for low priority tasks, so they don't visually compete for attention. Repeat the same process for medium priority. Add another conditional color rule, choose priority again, set the condition to Is, and then select medium. Assign a slightly stronger color so medium priority tasks stand out more clearly at a glance. Finally, do the same for high priority. Create a new color setting, choose priority, set the condition to Is, and select high. For high priority items, it's best to use a bold or attention-grabbing color so these tasks immediately stand out when you open the database. Once all your rules are set, you'll notice that your database updates instantly. Tasks will now be color-coded based on their priority, making it much easier to scan, plan, and focus on what's most important. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Notion conditional formatting to visually organize your work and boost your productivity. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, software tutorials, and productivity workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.